Hello students, we are discussing exercise 13.3, question number 7. Read statement from your book. A cylindrical bucket 32 cm high and with the radius of base 18 cm. A cylindrical bucket is given with the base radius 18 cm and height is 32 cm, right? Which is given to us. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is found. Conical heap of sand is found. Cylinder change into cone, and whose dimensions are: height of this one is 24 cm. We have to find the radius and slant height of the heap. Okay? We have to find the radius and slant height of the heap. Which quantity will be same in this change? Volume will be same. Volume of cylinder will be same to volume of cone. So our equation will be volume of cylinder is equal to volume of cone. Okay. So volume of cylinder, what's the formula? Pi r square h, and for cone we can take it r1 h1 pi r1 square h1 for the height. Okay. Pi and pi cancelled out. 18 square. Height is 32 and radius of cone we have to find. Height is 24. 3 8 are 24. 8 4s are 32. Okay. R1 square will be 18 square and 2 square. 4 is here. 4 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 square. Then taking square root on both sides, R1 will be 18 square into 2 square. So it will be equal to 18 into 2. This square से square root cancel out हो जाएगा. R1 आ जाएगा हमारा 36 centimeter. Radius of cone is 36 centimeter. Now we have to find the slant height. Okay. We will use the relation between slant height, radius and height. That would be L square is equal to R square plus H square. Radius is 36. Height is 24 square. If you calculate it, you will get the value of L. After calculating L, you will get slant height is 12 root 13 centimeter. Therefore, what we have to find? Radius of cone is 36 centimeter and slant height is 12 root 13 centimeter. That we have to find it in this question. Okay? It is very simple question. Next question of this exercise, question number 8. Very important question. Water in canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep. Canal 6 meter in length and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? Okay. Okay, student. Water in canal अब 6 मीटर आपको गिवन है, वाइड है और डेप्थ कितनी गिवन है 1.5 मीटर. आप ऐसे सपोज कर सकते हैं, क्यूबॉइड की शेप में ले सकते हैं. लेट द कैनाल is in the shape of cuboid. Not let. Canal is in the shape of cuboid. It is understood. Length is given, depth is given. Sorry, breadth is given and depth is given. Okay. Now, and the speed is given. Canal is in the shape of cuboidal form. Okay, so where width is equal to कितना given है हमें 6 मीटर and depth, what is depth means height of cuboid is given, which is equal to 1.5 meter. Okay, and speed of water is also given. Speed is 10 kilometer per hour. Okay. Time कितना given है? Given time is 30 minutes. Right? Water in canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. How much area it will irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of water standing water is needed? Okay. Now, what we have to find? We know that shape of canal is cuboid. Okay. कि हमारा जो पानी है जितना फ्लो कर रहा है 30 मिनट्स में, हम सपोज करते हैं 30 मिनट्स में वो इतना वाटर यहाँ से, ये पानी जो यहाँ से एंटर किया 30 मिनट के बाद यहाँ से बाहर निकले, कि 30 मिनट में जितना पानी इसमें है ये क्या हमारा वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. ये वाटर हमें किसके लिए यूज करना है? इरिगेशन के लिए. हमें एक एरिया को इरिगेट करना है, तो वो पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर स्टैंडिंग वाटर 8 सेंटीमीटर चाहिए हो तो हमें कितना एरिया इरिगेट कर सकते हैं. तो हमारी इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी यहां से? वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन कैनाल दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फॉर इरिगेशन फील्ड. राइट. जितना वाटर ये कैनाल में है और ये किस शेप में है? क्यूबॉइडल शेप में है. ये वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर वी हैव टू यूज फॉर वॉल्यूम फॉर इरिगेशन. जितना ये पानी है उतना ही हमें इरिगेशन में यूज करना है सारा. तो इन जो इरिगेशन के लिए वाटर है और जो वॉल्यूम ऑफ कैनाल है ये दोनों सेम होंगे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर इन कैनाल क्या है? क्यूबॉइड है, तो इसका वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाएगा? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ इंटू हाइट. Okay, but breadth and height are given. Length is not given. Speed is given here. So we have speed and time are given. From this we have to find its distance. As you know, students, what is the relation between them? Distance is equal to speed into time. Right? Okay, speed into time. We are given speed and time as well, so we can find distance or you can say length of canal. Okay, what we have to find? Length, because breadth and height are given. So it will be speed into time. Speed is 10 kilometer per hour and time is 30 minutes. We have to convert it into hours. That will be equal to 30 by 60 hours, right? To convert minute into hours, we have to divide it by 60. Okay. Now it is 30 by 60 hour. R से R cancel. 3 by 6 is 2. 2 से 10 cancel out. It will be 5 kilometer. Means क्या मिल गया हमें? Length of the canal means length of cuboid, which is equal to 5 kilometer. Now units are not same. Length in kilometer and breadth and height are in meter. So we have to convert into meter. Okay. एक बार फिर रिपीट करते स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ तक हमने क्या किया है बेटा? इसमें क्या है, हमें जब भी रिवर गिवन होगी कि ऐसे लेंथ ऑफ वाटर है, फ्लो कर रहा है, तो हमें क्या करना है? उस शेप को क्या लेना है? क्यूबॉइडल शेप लेना है कैनाल को, और हमें ब्रेड्थ और हाइट गिवन है, और वहां पर हमें क्या गिवन होगा? स्पीड गिवन होगी। स्पीड से हम क्या फाइंड करके लाएंगे? डिस्टेंस फाइंड कर सकते हैं। डिस्टेंस एक्चुअल में क्या है? लेंथ ऑफ कैनाल, लेंथ ऑफ वाटर फ्लोन इन हाफ एन आवर, कि हाफ एन आवर में कितना डिस्टेंस वो कवर करेगा वाटर, यहां से यहां तक कितनी लेंथ कवर करेगा वो, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड। ओके, यूजिंग स्पीड एंड टाइम। टाइम इज गिवन हाफ एन आवर and speed is also given 10 km per hour. From that we have to find length actually. So it is 5 km. Now we have to find this volume of water or volume of area. Now we have to substitute these values in equation. This is our equation. I am writing again. Volume of water in canal is equal to volume of water for irrigation field. For irrigation field. Okay. Now, volume of canal is this cuboid. The volume of this is length into breadth into height. Okay. And for irrigation, can we write volume like this? Area into height. Yes, volume is what? We have done this in introduction part actually. We can write now volume like this, area into height of the head. So height हमें पता है, area we have to find. From here we can find the area. Only area is unknown quantity, right? So length of canal is 5 km. Convert into meter, it will be 5,000 meter. And breadth is 1.5. Height is, breadth is 6. Height is 1.5. Okay. Area we have to find, and height is given 8 centimeter. So it is in centimeter. Again we have to convert it into meter. यूनिट सेंड करने के लिए हमें इसको चेंज करना होगा. दैट डिवाइड बाय 100 मीटर. ओके, वी विल यूज इट हियर. 8 by 100 meter. Now we can solve it easily. Divide by 10. Cancel out. 4. 4 1 4. 1250. From here we can find area is 562,500 meters square. After multiplication, taking them, we will get area is this. Okay. Now it is clear that we have to find area, and area is equal to this. In this question you have to remember this, you have to find length using speed and time. Therefore area irrigating in 30 minutes is this. Therefore area irrigated in 30 minutes is this. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. Last question of this exercise. It is also important question. A farmer connects a pipe of internal diameter 20 cm to form a canal. Connects a pipe of internal diameter. Diameter कितना गिवन है? 20 cm. Okay. To form a canal into a cylindrical tank in a field. Water कहाँ जा रहा है? Tank में, right? Which is 10 meter in diameter. Diameter is given 10 meter and 2 meter deep, and height of the cylinder is given, which is equal to 2 meter. If water flows through the pipe at the rate of 3 km per hour, speed is given now, 3 km per hour, in how much time the tank will be filled? Okay? In how much time this tank will be filled, right? Now, we have to find time. Okay? Here. For this, we should know distance and speed, because this is the relation between them. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay? Speed is given 3 km per hour. Okay? Means speed क्या है हमारी? 3. Now we have to find its distance. कि कितना distance इस pipe का होंगे? Pipe is in the form of cylinder, right? So here volume of water flows out from the pipe that would be equal to volume of water in tank. Have you understood, student, here what I have written? Volume of water that flows from this pipe, that would be equal to volume of this tank, because we have to fill this tank ना, हमें ये tank fill करना है इस पाइप की हेल्प से, और हमें टाइम बताना है कि कितनी देर में फिल हो जाएगा. ओके? ये भी सिलेंडर है, ये भी सिलेंडर है, दोनों का वॉल्यूम इक्वल हो जाएगा. Volume of pipe. Let's talk about their dimensions first now. 4 pipe. Radius is, diameter is 20 centimeter. Therefore, radius will be 10 centimeter. And anything else? No. height of, let height of this cylinder is pipe, this pipe is h1, that we have to find. Height of pipe, let it be h1, we have to find it. Okay, so volume of pipe will be pi r1 square r square h1. Okay, now for tank, diameter is given 10 meter. Here diameter given in centimeter, here it is given in meter. So we have to convert at 10 by 2, it will be 5 meter. Let's change it. इसको सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं, then it will be 10 by 100 meter means 1 by 10 meter. So radius of pipe will be 1 by 10 meter, and radius of cylinder, let's take it R1, that would be 5 meter, and height of cylinder, we can take it capital also. Let's take height, radius of this cylinder is R and height of cylinder is 2 meter. Okay, all units are same, all are in meter. Now we have to substitute the values over here. First we write volume of tank, that will be equal to pi r square h. Okay, I'm rubbing it. मैं यही वैल्यूज पुट कर रहे हैं बेटा. You have to write it again. So volume of pipe is pi r1 square h1, and volume of tank is pi r square h. Right? Now we have to put the values over here. Pi and pi cancelled out. Radius of pipe is 1 by 10 meter, and h1 we have to find, and radius of this cylinder is 5 meter, so it will be 5 square, and height is 2 meter. So h1 will be 5 square into 2 into 10 square. 10 square कहाँ जाएगा? न्यूमरेटर में. It will be like this. Okay. Height of the pipe will be 5 5s are 25, 25 to the 50, 50 or 100. It is 5,000 meter, right? Now speed is given in kilometer, and height बोलो और distance बोलो, both are same ना? Distance of pipe or height of pipe, both are same, which is equal to 5,000 meter. Let it convert into kilometers. It will be 5 kilometer. Here we have to find this time. Distance is 5 kilometers, speed is 3 kilometer per hour. Okay, this is the height of the pipe. Now we have to find time. Time is equal to, distance is 5 kilometer, speed is 3 kilometer per hour. R will go in numerator now. So kilometer से kilometer cancel out. So time is 5 by 3 hours. Okay. Let's convert into minutes. How will we convert it? Hours to minute, multiply by 60 for converting in minute. So it will be 20, and 525 is a 100 minute. Okay. So ये कितना टाइम लेगा पाइप इस टैंक को फिल करने में? 100 minutes, right? So our final answer will be, therefore the cylindrical tank will be filled in, therefore the cylindrical tank will be filled in 100 minutes. In previous question we have to find area of irrigation. Okay, in this question we have to find time. This is the difference in both the questions here. Okay, volume of pipe, that would be equal to volume of water in the tank. हम फाइंड कर लेंगे हाइट और यू कैन से लेंथ और डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय वाटर इन टाइम, इन दिस टाइम. ओके, टू फिल दिस टैंक. ओके, आफ्टर कैलकुलेटिंग इट्स हाइट वी विल गेट टाइम. So we get 100 minutes.